Unbelievable. I mean, every single time I get this guy the same exact way. You know, I just tell him there's food on his shirt, and he just, as soon as he looks down, and there you go. It always works. I'm gonna take the rainbow right now. Yeah, up on it.
So Julius Randle's i8, we wrapped it satin black with a mixture of gloss black, and then we wrapped it in full brushed aluminum. The customer has to give it back to the dealer, wants to put it back in factory form, so we went ahead and we put it back to stock. I didn't do it.
Oh shit! Don't do that. Don't. That's really dangerous. That's like a thing. It's like a needle. Don't. It's like a needle. Don't. I'm gonna play off. I'm so heavy. The thing bent. The pin. Don't.
You're so hot.
You messed up.
Alright, so we got the Rolls-Royce Dawn here that we modified a few months back. This vehicle we're protecting right now with a clear bra. We're doing the two front fenders, we're doing the front bumper, and we're doing the rear bumper. The front wheels are off because customer unfortunately got a little damage on the lips of the wheels. We're currently dealing with Forgiato replacing the lips on this car. So we're gonna be finishing up the car now, getting all the clear bra on there. It's gonna be protected. This is a big car with the big fenders and the bumpers in LA. You can never be too safe. So we're gonna protect it. Very special to show you guys, special order tires. These are considered one of the widest tires in the world. Check it out. Damn. This is going on a BMW. You guys could guess which car it is.
This is when you drive a little bit too much, and you don't replace your tires. This is what happens. This is taking it too far. You don't want to take it this far. So we have a BMW i3 here that was towed earlier to us, and the customer apparently hit a pothole, not just one tire but two, so blew out two tires, front and back. These cars are very, I mean, they're not common regarding tire sizes. They're very, very skinny, and this is a staggered fitment size, which means the fronts are skinnier and the rears are wider. So it's a very uncommon size, and we got it done, and the car is ready to go. We changed a couple of tires on this car today after she hit a pothole. It's finished, and she's on her way out of here.
Alright, so we just finished up returning our good friend Julius Randle's i8 back to stock. It's gonna go back to the dealer. It was wrapped twice for him. Once we did a matte black theme, and then we did the brushed aluminum theme. So we took the wrap off, we fixed any damage that he had on the vehicle, and now it's ready to go back.
Who would win an arm wrestle? You or Moses? I'll win. Obviously.
This is a tough one, man.
Who would win an arm wrestle? Mano or Moses?
Oh, man.
Who you got?
Fuck. I think Moses.
It's already gone. Gone? Yeah.
Mano said he got you. He got you. What's your take on it?
It's a tough one. I don't know.
It's a tough one.
Obviously he's bigger, but we're gonna go at it right now, so we'll see.
That's my hands. You guys go.
Wrist straight, bro. Don't go like this. Wrist straight. Okay? Don't bend your wrist.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
1. Oh, you guys are not starting it. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Let's go.
Go! Damn. Mano's gotta shave his head. Mano's gotta.
Yeah, with my arm.
I heard it as click somewhere.
No,
Nah, it has nothing to do with broken.
I almost gave up because he was very close. I couldn't do it anymore. I was running out of breath.
You gotta do it.
That's a good game. He's strong. He's strong.
So we got a call about half an hour ago regarding a Porsche coming in for a tire repair. Here it is. So we did take the tire out. There's a nail in it. You can see we put it in the water and it is bubbling up, so that is an indication that the nail went through. So we're going to take it out and do the repair the right way. Meaning we're going to take the tire apart, patch it from inside, mount it, rebalance it, and put it back on the car.
Ready to go?
Don't shoot anybody else.
Hey, does it really, seriously, does it hurt?
Hey, don't shoot me.
Hey, hairstyle.
Don't shoot me. No, I shoot you. I gotta go through, fool.
No, it ain't.
What happened? What?
Do it.
Let's see your arm. Let's see your arm.
What?
Let's see your arm.
Oh shit! Hey, when did this happen? You shot me, I didn't feel it.
It was the pin.
So it doesn't even hurt.
Huh?
It doesn't
See,
even
I told
hurt.
you it doesn't hurt.
Where you from?
From Monterey.
Oh, nice. What are you doing out here?
Came to visit my boy Vic.
Nice. Hanging out. All right.
You know?
So this Range Rover came in here this morning, apparently scratched a wheel. It was a pretty big scratch, so usually cars comes like this and we have to do the repairs. It takes like a couple of days, but you know, we have fast service here. The rim is all done, it's ready to go. It's been repaired and perfect.
Yeah, so this is one of our return customers. She unfortunately kissed the curb with her wheel. We touched it up for her, made it real nice, all in a matter of about an hour. She just picked up the car again and she's off. This Range Rover we did a while back with the 4G Autos 24s, blackout yellow calipers. Looks really good still.
Do you have any idea what you did? Stop!
Oh my God, thank you so much. You made me so happy.
Yeah, it's me on YouTube.
Hey, what you do? Yeah.
Tell them where you're from. Tell the camera where you're from.
I'm from Oregon. Came down to see these guys. I love all the work they do.
Nice.
Yeah.
Already.
Tell them how many videos you've made me sit through.
All of them.
Nice.
All of them.
Alright, so we got a lot of RDB merchandise.
What we got? What we got?
Got new hats.
People are coming on site and purchasing them.
Where are you guys from?
Vancouver.
Vancouver?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing out here?
Yeah, just came to look around. Have to stop by. I don't know.
Nice.
You drove 24 hours.
You guys drove 24 hours?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's see the hat. Let's see the hat. Let's see the hat.
Suede ones.
Ooh, nice. Some air fresheners. Cool, man. Well, safe travels, guys.
Thanks, man.
Take it easy.
But you could also go online at rdbla.com and go to the merchandise section. We are finally open to international orders, so you guys could purchase hats. We got 3 colors, license plates, shirts, stickers, air fresheners. The Rose air fresheners are amazing. Go shop now.
Who would win in arm wrestling? You or Vic?
I don't know. It's gonna be hard to.
Let's see your
That's a
guns,
hard
man.
one.
Let's see your guns.
That's a hard one.
Let's see them. Let's see them guns, man. Ho ho ho! Who would win in an arm wrestle? You or Moses?
I don't know. What do you think?
Ho ho ho!